Good morning, caregivers. It's Monday, February 4th. It's 34 degrees in Rock Hill, South Carolina, and we're getting up to 67 degrees today. Yay! That means I can walk outside. I do get tired of walking in place in the house to get in my at least 10,000 and hopefully 14 to 16,000 steps a day. So the New England Patriots won Super Bowl 53 last night. I don't know if that makes you happy or not. I know my friend Carla's happy about it, so there you go. I read through the Super Bowl while I was trying to figure out how to get the TV station to come in English rather than Spanish. A little button on the whole thing got flipped and all of it was in Spanish. Oh, thanks for joining me today for What's Going On with Mama. Today is Monday, Mama Monday rather, and we're going to talk about what's going on with the mama. Our sponsors today are Vitamin Depot at 2685 Celanese Road behind Dunkin' Donuts and Burger King. Go in there and check out the products that Mr. David Graham has, things that will make you healthy. Reach him at 328-5800. Life in the Carolinas television show, the award-winning, award-winning show, and Emmy-nominated show, Life in the Carolinas. Check them out at lifeinthecarolinas.com. Wherever you are in this great big world, you can watch that show. Wonderful, Life in the Carolinas. And then when you're ready for breakfast or lunch, hop on over to Passmore's Grill on Saluda Street in Rock Hill, and you will have the best cheese grits you've ever had in your life. Passmore's Grill. Join them today. Hi, Janice. Thanks for joining me. I wanted to invite you to a special event tomorrow at Covenant Presbyterian Church. I will be speaking there at noon. And Let's Talk Dementia with a Splash of Humor will be your entertainment. And lunch is provided. And honey, it's free. And you know free is good. But you got to RSVP today. You have to RSVP today. And the phone number is 803-320-0911, Covenant Presbyterian Church, 1830 Celanese Road. Come join me, but RSVP, 803-320-0911. It's being 0911, being brought to you by the Blake. So today we're going to talk about enjoying the moment. You know, with Alzheimer's disease, we're not going to remember, and with lots of dementias, we're not going to remember much about what's going on in the last hour or 2 hours, and maybe even not the last few minutes, depending on where your loved one is in the disease. Certainly with my mama, that's true. We only have very short span of time that mama can interact and know what's going on and be happy about it, because mom's mood can change pretty quickly. So we want to enjoy the moment. We want to think about what's going on right now and make the right now happy. Now that has its benefits, the fact that maybe we can only deal with the moment, because if the moment is unhappy, hopefully we can steer them away from the unhappy and bring them into a happy moment. Hi Sita, thanks for joining me. So yesterday, an example I would give you is I was fixing lunch at the care home where my mama lives, and she lives in a group home where there's only 6 residents, and it's a home, it's a house, and we are allowed to come in and cook. And so every Sunday I either take lunch or I cook lunch there at the community with Mama. Mama was a little fidgety. She kept wanting to get up and down, up and down. I've told you that's a bit of a problem with Mama. And Mama wasn't feeling really good yesterday, so she was a little bit off, I think. And that has an effect on her. I want you guys to know, Sita says, good afternoon from Ireland. Well, holy cow. That's pretty cool. Thank you for joining me from Ireland. I got people everywhere. I love you folks. So anyway, I was getting ready to do my cooking, and Mama was not really happy. And I said, Mama, come in here and help me cook. So I got Mama's walker up beside the island. They have an island where the stove is, and got her up there, and she was able to stand up. The walker's behind her in case she gets wobbly. She's going to come down on the walker. That's a good thing. And I gave her the spatula to stir the pan that I was working in. I had potatoes cooking there, and she was just stirring them, just doing it, you know. They were not going to stick, I'll tell you that. And she participated in that for a while. Then she stopped, and I said, Mama, you're not gonna help me stir the potatoes? She says, I'm not cooking anymore, just with the real no. You know, I'm like, well, okay, don't cook anymore. So for that moment, Mama and I connected, and we connected over cooking. Now, we had to watch Mama carefully. My husband was standing there holding the handle to the pan, which Mama didn't really realize because we didn't want that pan sliding all over, and he was there to kind of steady her should she need that. And so it was a very interactive process we had going on. Well, when we sat down to eat, Mama ate like a pig, and so did all the other residents. It was quite fun to watch them eat so well. And so I leaned over after Mama was just about through, and I whispered in her ear, "Mama, I love you." And she looks at me and she goes, "A bushel and a peck." And I had to think about it in a minute, and I went, "And a hug around the neck." So for that moment, see, Mama was with me. She knew exactly what I was talking about. She had music coming out. I've told you how important music is, and it was part of Mama's world right there. And she just smiled at me, and I smiled at her. And of course, 15, 20 seconds later, she probably did not remember it. Doesn't matter, because for that length of time, when Mama was cooking, when Mama was saying, "And a bushel and a peck," those things sparked happiness in her brain, and they help lead to happiness for the next little while. Hi, Janice. So you have to live in the moment, and you have to realize that the moment is all you living in anyway. The past is gone. The future isn't here yet, people. We are living in the moment. I think if we as individuals would live more in the moment and quit trying to plan the future so much and change the future so much. And boy, I should preach to myself about this one. Hi, Julie. But live in the moment, then we would be happier people. Now, that doesn't mean we're not planning and saving and organizing. I know we got to do all that stuff, but I think so many times in our world, we miss the good stuff in our world, the good stuff in our life, the blessings that are coming our way. We just miss them because we're not paying attention. And I don't want you to do that with your loved ones with dementia. I want you to enjoy what they have to offer you right now, because I'm telling you, life is changing all the time. Their abilities are changing all the time. So you want to enjoy and revel in what they can do, because one day they won't be able to do that. So if they're telling you the same story and you've heard it 5,362 times, well, then just celebrate you get to hear it one more time. Because I'm telling you, the day is coming when they can't tell you that story, and you're really going to wish they could. You know, you really will. So when they're telling you that story, just smile. You might zone out a little bit and think, "I know how this story ends," and that's okay. But still smile at them and make them feel as if what they're saying is important, because it is important. Okay, does that make sense to you? My 15 minutes flies by, and I've got several things I wanted to tell you this morning. So Mama had told the caregiver earlier that, well, this caregiver said, "Miss Vera, you've got a birthday coming up." And Mama said, "Yeah, I do." And, well, no, I think Mom asked, "Do I?" That was it. Mama didn't know. And she said, "What kind of cake do you want for your birthday?" Well, my mom's not a cake girl. And my mom said, "I want lemon pie." Well, Mama's birthday is not until March 15th, and this was a few days ago, and today is February 4th, so it's several weeks off before that birthday. And so the caregiver was telling me this story, and I'm like, Mama's going to get a lemon pie way before her birthday, let me tell you. So yesterday I made the lemon pie, and I took it in for all the residents and the caregivers to eat. My mama was very excited about lemon pie. It just brought joy to her life. I said, "Mom, you like lemon pie, don't you?" She said, "Yes, I do." And she was just pigging out on that pie. See, that made me feel good. I was enjoying the moment of my mama eating lemon pie, of my mama smiling about lemon pie. It doesn't take a lot in this world to make us happy, does it? I can guarantee you the lemon pie made my husband happy. Michael, is that right? I can guarantee you he was happy about it. That made me happy, made my mama happy. I looked over, the other residents in the community were sitting there. I mean, working on that lemon pie, it was going away. That brought joy to them. It brought joy to me. So it's not the big things in life that we need to be happy. It would be great to win Publishers Clearinghouse. I guess we'll all say amen to that one. We wouldn't mind winning the lottery. Although I don't think I want to win the lottery. All those people have bad things happen afterwards. But we wouldn't mind finding $100 laying on the road. It wouldn't hurt our feelings. But we need to enjoy the moment. Enjoy the little things in life. They are important. All right, so before I leave you today, though, I wanted to extend a special amount of love and affection to the family of Mike Slopok. Mike passed away this past weekend, and Fran, Julie, and Karen, I just want you to know that I love you and my heart is with you, and I'm here for you. I'm here for you always. And I am for you too, all of my viewers out there. All you've got to do is email me, carol@letstalkdementia.org, and I am going to be there for you. That's my goal, is to help you in this caregiving journey. Whether you just need somebody to talk to, or you've got a story to tell, or you need some advice, whatever it is, then let's get together and let me be that source for you. So that's what's going on with Momma right now. Tomorrow will be Tips on Tuesday. Let's see, I've got a note here. What is it we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about Marie Kondo and organizing. I do love to organize. I like that show. So be sure you join in tomorrow. I want to thank our sponsors, Passmore's Grocery and Grill on Saluda Street in Rock Hill. Check them out and have breakfast and lunch. You're going to enjoy it. LifeInTheCarolinas.com. You'll find that television show there online for you to watch, because you're in Ireland, aren't you? Check it out. You're going to enjoy it. And look up the show, Remembering No More, while you're there. The episode on Life in the Carolinas. Vitamin Depot. You can order your vitamins from them. 2685 Celanese Road. Check them out. 328-5800. Tell them Carol sent you. Well, I hope your caregiving journey is a good one. I got a busy day today. Let's see, what time is it? Yeah, I'm doing good on time. Hi, Peter. I got a busy day today, and tomorrow's going to be even busier. Join me at Covenant Presbyterian Church at 1830 Celanese Road for Let's Talk Dementia with a Splash of Humor and free lunch, hot dog. No, not hot dog. It won't be hot dogs. But hallelujah, it'll be a fun time. 803-320-0911 to reserve your space. Make sure you do that. All right, leave me now. Go enjoy your day. Find all those moments in your day that make you smile. Share those moments with your loved one, and be in the moment. Be in the moment, y'all. It's what life's about. And I think when we're in the moment more fully, then life just lands on us and feels better. Have a great day. Keep on smiling. Blessings and smiles. See you tomorrow at 8:15. Bye-bye.